If you've submitted a Namecheap support ticket and you want to check the status, there are two quick ways to do it, and I'll walk you through both in this video. This is a simple process, but it helps to know exactly where to look so you can save time and get a faster answer. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. The first thing you should do is check your email. Open the inbox connected to your Namecheap account and look through your primary inbox carefully. Sometimes support replies land there first, but they can also be filtered into your spam or junk folder, so make sure you check those too. Search for emails from Namecheap's support system or anything related to your ticket subject. If you find a message, open it and look for the latest update or response from the support team. That's often the fastest way to see what's going on with your ticket. If you don't see anything in your email, the next best option is to use Namecheap Live Chat. To do that, go to the Namecheap website and find the Contact Us option. Click on Contact Us and then choose Live Chat. Once the chat opens, you'll be connected with a support agent who can help you check the status of your ticket. When the agent responds, give them your previous ticket number if you have it. If you don't have the ticket number, you can still provide your username or the email address linked to your account. Then simply ask for a status update on your support request. The agent can look up your case and tell you whether it is still open, in progress, or already resolved. This is especially useful if you haven't received an email response or if you need an update right away. One helpful tip is to be clear and polite when contacting support. If possible, mention the exact issue you submitted so the agent can find your ticket faster. For example, you can say that you want to check the status of a billing issue, domain problem, or hosting request. That small detail can help speed things up. So just to recap, first check your email inbox and spam folder for a Namecheap support message. If you still need help, go to Namecheap, click Contact Us, open Live Chat, and ask the agent for a ticket update using your ticket number or username. That's the easiest way to check a Namecheap support ticket. If this video was useful, please like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who might need help with Namecheap support. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.